This is how you're going to access Cloudflare Zero Trust. First, you're going to log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Now, on the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down until you find the Zero Trust icon. Usually looks like a shield or a lock. If you cannot find that icon, or if it's too hard for you, you can just again scroll down and then find this Protect and Connect section and then click on Zero Trust right here. Now, it will take you to this page wherein you will have to choose your team name. So, for example, I want my team name to be strawberrysoju.cloudflareaccess.com, and then we're going to have to click on next. Now we're just gonna have to wait for this page to load, and then it will take us to the we can click on launch Zero Trust dashboard. You may need to set up a team name like we did and then confirm payment details if you haven't accessed it before. So once you are on this page, you're just gonna wait until it takes you to the to this section wherein you will have to choose a plan. So you can have a free bundle or standard bundle or an enterprise, which is a custom bundle. Now for this one, we can just choose this free plan. As you can see, we're not going to pay for anything. We're going to proceed to payment, and then we're going to have to set up a payment method. So for this one, I'm going to let you do that. And then once you're done doing this, you can just you are immediately taken to the section wherein you will have to authorize and then launch the Zero Trust dashboard. And that's it. That is how you can access Cloudflare Zero Trust. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.